now.
Hey, spent a weekend or 4 nights, 5 days at a workshop with Sheri Warner Hunter Studios. Anyway, how to make lightweight concrete or outdoor items. Now this is real concrete, or heavy concrete. This is too. Now this is better than HiLo. If you know the story about HiLo, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, each one of these weighs less than 5-pound sugar pack. Anyway, that's because they're filled with, not filled, but they started with foam. And me and Sheri and a group of us worked on design, and this is what we come up with. Pretty cool. Anyway, I can pick it up like that, lightweight. Each piece is, that's it. Feels like it weighs less than 5 pounds. Pretty cool. See ya.